Hi everybody. Some years ago we took a trip to Europe and we saw some of the great sights. Of course, in France, the Louvre, the Mona Lisa, and the other great paintings by Leonardo da Vinci. In England, we went to the West End and saw one of the shows. We didn't stay too long in most of the cities. And Italy was a marvelous place for tourists. Went to Venice, went to Capri, went to Florence, went to Rome. Now, it was in Rome that we took a tour of the Vatican, particularly the Sistine Chapel. We all got there, got out of the bus, and the guide said, she said, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And we head towards the Sistine Chapel and Michelangelo's great ceiling. And I remember climbing. I couldn't see any part of the room yet, Sistine Chapel yet, and we climbed, and then we got out on the stairs, to the top of the stairs. And there was this huge room filled with gorgeous paintings, gorgeous color, and it all seemed to be in movement. I had never seen anything like it in my life. I was prepared to see some dusty old paintings. Instead, I was overwhelmed, thunderstruck. I said to myself, I gotta fall to my knees. So I didn't do it. I guess I was a little too embarrassed. The group kept on walking right through the room. They were out the stairs, and I haven't even moved yet. I'm overwhelmed. Finally, the guide, I see guides walking out. So that was my 5 minutes in probably the greatest work of art in Western civilization.